So we're thinking about the distance between different points on a coordinate plane. And in this case, instead of maybe just counting, right, the distance between, we're going to use what we know about absolute value as a tool or a strategy to kind of help us. So when we might want to know the distance between, in this case, we want to know the distance between A and B, right? You might think of this like as a map, right? So if you want to get from point A to point B, you want to know, well, how far is it? So the first thing you want to do is, well, you want to discover where is point A. So you go over on the X, -2, up 1. So we put our X coordinate is -2.5, right? And our Y coordinate is 1. Okay, so point B, we go from the origin over 6 along the x-axis, and then we go up 1 on the y to 0.61. All right, so now we have our two ordered pairs for our 2 points. And we're going to say, all right, well, to help us find the distance, we really want to know how far they are from 0, right, from our origin. Boop, boop, 0.00. So we're going to say, let's take the absolute value of, this says the wrong thing here. This says -0.25, but we want -2.5. So the absolute value of -2.5 is 2.5. It's 2.5 units away from the origin or from 0. So we say absolute value is 2.5. Similarly, what's the absolute value of 6? In other words, how far away from the origin is it? It's 6 units. So we have 6 units. It's the absolute value of 6. So now we're going to say, all right, well, in total, right, when we put both of those together, we want to add up and say, what's 2.5 plus 6? And we find out that in total, these points, A and B, are 8.5 units apart. So you can use your knowledge of absolute value to help you kind of piece together the distance away from the different axes, right, that these points are, and in turn, the distance they are from each other by thinking about how far away they are from the origin.